हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछली क्लास में लास्ट वीडियो हमने पढ़ा था फिज़िक्स का चैप्टर 1 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। उसी पार्ट्स को हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट यू लर्न अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, यूनिट ऑफ करंट. In this video we'll see about electric potential and potential different. Electric potential. Electric potential क्या होता है? The amount of work done, या हम कह सकते हैं एनर्जी स्पेंट, अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन मूविंग यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज from infinity to a given point in an electric field. Its unit is volt, denoted by V. The second term, potential difference. These are generally same, but what the difference here? Potential difference, the amount of work done, the amount of work done in moving unit positive charge from one point to another in an electric field. Potential difference is denoted by V. V is equal to W upon Q. Work done upon charge moved. Its SI unit is also volt, denoted by V. Now the next topic is इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. अब हम पढ़ते हैं अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. अ कंटिन्यूअस conducting path between the terminals of a source of electric energy energy along with the electric current flow, along with the electric current flow. अब ये सर्किट्स, इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. इनके अगर हम टाइप्स की बात करें तो नंबर 1 ओपन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. Open electric circuit means when key is open. Key is open. Number 2, closed electric circuit when key is closed. When key is closed. So, two type of this, open and closed electric circuit. Now, in electricity we use some symbols. So, electricity symbols, what we are using, electric symbols, क्या इलेक्ट्रिक सिम्बॉल्स हम यूज़ करते हैं? नंबर 1 connecting wire. Connecting wire, this is the symbol used. Number 2, many apparatus we are use fixed resistance. Fixed resistance. Number 3, open key. Or we can make like this. Number 4, closed key. Or we can use like this. Number 5, electric bulb. Number 6, galvanometer. Number 7, ammeter. Number 8, voltmeter. Number 9, a cell. Number 10, a battery combining of many cells. These are some important symbols we are used. Now, our topic is resistance. Students, resistance क्या होता है? The obstruction, the the obstruction or the obstruction or opposition offered by flowing electrons in a conductor. The obstruction or opposition offered by flowing electrons in a conductor, it is denoted by R. Its SI unit is ohm, denoted by omega. SI unit is ohm, denoted by omega. Now, factors which determine resistance of a conductor. Factors which determine resistance of a conductor. There are some factors. Number 1, length. Resistance is directly proportional to L. It means if the length is increased, the resistance is also increased. Number 2, area of cross section means thickness. Resistance is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. It means if the area is increased, resistance is decreased. By combining equation 1 and 2, we get R is proportional to L upon A, or sign of proportionality we are removed by giving a constant, that is R equal to rho L upon A. Here rho is a constant. Thanks all for today.